Tommy. Hi, Joe. How are you guys doing today?
We're doing good.
Good. So, Tommy, how did you hear about Express Flooring?
We had Express come put in our tile and carpet in 2005.
Oh, great.
And so when we were looking for a carpet again, of course, that's where we went.
Oh, good. And I see it turned out really, really pretty.
It did.
Very,
We're
very nice.
I'm very happy with it.
You guys got the extra cushion, too. I can definitely feel the extraness underneath
Yeah.
there. And then how was your design consultant that came out to your home?
The guy who talked to us about everything that was...
Yeah.
Real good.
Good.
Yeah.
And then how were your installers? Did they come in and get it efficiently done fast?
They did.
Yeah.
2 days. They told us 2 days.
Great. And they got it done. Oh, that's awesome. And then from start to finish, was the scheduling process easy and all of the design consultant and installers?
Yes.
Yeah, everything was fine.
Great.
We're very happy.
Oh, that's super great. And then, well, thank you for taking your time with me today, Mary and Joe. And you enjoy the rest of your week and your beautiful floors.
Thank you.
Thanks.